The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Swift River Pecans, LLC. Offering high-quality pecan products grown with regenerative agricultural principles, it is a really neat time to stop by Swift River Pecans. We're learning more today with owner Troy Swift and with Molly Brown as well. So we're going to start with you, Troy. Talk to us about your pecans. Tell us why, these pecans are so great.
Well, we're in the native land of pecans to begin with, so they grow naturally very good here, but we also employ regenerative agriculture principles and really concerned about soil health and plant nutrition and therefore nut nutrition. So we think we're growing some of the best pecans money can buy. Let me show you what one looks like. This is a pawnee that's actually fresh off the tree, and I'll show you how to hand crack it. What you do is you take the end off so you can see the two halves, and then you take the other end off. Now you go back to the end, you can see the two halves, and you go 90 degrees to the separator cork is what it's called, and you take off the side. Now, and then you stand it up like a clam, and you take it apart, and there's your two halves of beautiful pecans.
Wow, they're gorgeous, nice and large too.
Yeah, these are pawnee variety.
Okay, all right, Molly, I want to talk about pecans and their availability. Is it year-round?
Generally, they have to be stored properly or else you lose a lot of the flavor and color. So we keep our pecans frozen until they're ready to be cracked. So here they are available year-round, yes.
Okay, let's talk about pecan oil, because you're going to show us actually how you fill a bottle.
We use a screw press to press our oil. It's just a screw in a tube that squishes them really hard. Lower heat and, just mostly pressure to express that oil.
And so while she's doing that, Troy, talk to me a little bit about the benefits of pecan oil.
Well, for one thing, it has a very high smoke point, so it's very easy to cook with. It has about a 470 degree F smoke point, and so very good to stir fry in, but you can also use it on salads, you can use it on meat, and then if you really want to top the day off, go ahead and put it on your vanilla ice cream.
Ooh, that sounds good. But there are some serious health benefits as well.
That's right. Pecan oil is high in antioxidants, protein, unsaturated fats. We turn our pressed pecans into flour. Those are great for recipes like brownies or breading chicken or fish. And the sediment that's left over in the oil is turned into honey butter. It's just mixed with local honey and bottled as is.
So what would you say to somebody who doesn't know that much about pecans to come out here and get educated?
Well, I would invite them to come here. If you call in advance, we're happy to give you a tour of the orchard. We can show you the man-planted trees like these pawnee.
It's a pecan party. All right, y'all, thank you so much. Learn more at swiftriverpecans.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Swift River Pecans, LLC.